Hi, I'm James from IRCcenter.com. Just now getting back to starting to make videos again. I had a lot going on. I got projects out the wazoo that I've got started but I hadn't finished. So one of the projects I've been working on is the Piper Cub from 3D Lab Print. I'm getting it printed, but the reason for this video is I want to talk about the 3D Lab Print models. They're very good. I really like them, but I'm having a hard time with my slicer software and trying to get everything set up correctly to where it prints nice. It's been kind of a pretty good learning experience for me, but I just want to share a few things that I've learned. Using the Cura Slicer and my Ender 3 Pro, I was able to go ahead and get some pretty decent prints of some of these models, but I kept having different problems with the prints as I went along, and so I went ahead and upgraded with a brand new printer. Well, I did upgrade the Ender 3 Pro to a direct drive, and it helped some, but I went ahead and I bought the Ender 3 S1 Pro upgrade, and that's an excellent printer. It's got the bigger work area, and it's also a direct drive and has a filament run out. It's a much better printer, but I still love my Ender 3 Pro, and I'm using it for my RC boats. But that being said, let me share with you some of the examples that I've got with the printers. Okay, here's my Creality Ender 3 Pro. I did upgrade to the direct drive. It's helped my print a lot better because the Bowden tube seems to have a lot more play in it. But this is a very good printer, and right now I'm leaving this printer to print parts, smaller parts, and parts from RC boats, and that's where this one is delegated to. As you can see, when you're printing 3D parts for the airplane, you need to be a little bit creative on your build plate there, so you can get the right print area for larger parts. So let's go look at my other printer. Okay, now here's the Ender 3 S1. I love this printer. It's very good. Right now I am printing the center wing part for my Polish fighter from 3D Lab Print. As you can tell, the print parts are really clean. I really like it. I like the larger build plate, 300 by 300 by 300, and it's got the filament runout indicator, and it is a direct drive. So this printer right here is dedicated all 3D airplanes because of the print quality that I get off this printer. And so let's go look at some of the parts I printed. Okay, now these are the 3D Lab Print airplanes that I've been printing. Right here is the Piper Cub. I got really good results out of this printer with this particular filament right here. I just took the STL files, went ahead and ran them through the Cura Slicer, and then printed them on the printer. Everything is very nice, and it works well for this airplane. I'm really happy with the results. Now, working on the Polish fighter was a different story. There I'm using the lightweight PLA from 3D Lab Print. And if you can see the difference here, now this is using the recommended settings for the Cura Slicer, and I got really bad results from this. But the files that you purchase from 3D Lab Print also comes with factory files and Gcode and the Gcode. So this is what I got printing just the Gcode files. Here you have this slot here for the top, and that's for putting filament in. It's kind of a brace between the parts to keep everything together. I think that's a very good idea. And as you can see, it all comes out nice and clean, and everything's there like it should be. Using the recommended settings, you got, it's pretty nasty on the inside, and it's just not right. The skin just a little bit thicker than than it is if you just came straight from the Gcode. This is a lot lighter. So I would recommend that you have a little patience, play with your slicer software. If you're not happy, go ahead. I know the Gcode settings work very well on the Ender 3 S1 Pro upgrade. It just took to it like duck to a water. Couldn't do it on the Ender 3 Pro, but the S1 yes. So I'm printing everything for this model right here using the Gcode. Hopefully that helps you a little bit. I'm still learning to use the slicing software. Sometimes you'll see things like this and you'll think, oh my god, it's the printer. Well, not necessarily. So or the filament, so you need just to practice up a little bit. Anyway, that's my little short video for the day, and I hope this helps you out a little bit. 3D printing is becoming a big part of my hobby, and I'm really enjoying it. Just now getting back to where I can start doing a lot more stuff right now, because a lot of my other projects are kind of slowing down, and I'm able to get back to this here. Anyway, hope to get some more videos out to you guys. I really appreciate everybody subscribed to my channel, and I hope to get more content out for you to see. Anyway, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.